Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply some transition to all your clips at once on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have imported some clips to my CapCut project, and if you want to add transition, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the transition option right here. Then you're going to select the transition you would like to apply to your clips. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one, this vertical blur transition. We can click on this plus button to add this transition to our clip. Then click on this plus button, then click on OK. Right, and now the transition has been applied to one of my clips. Then if you want to apply this transition to all your clips, you can tap on the transition, and then you're going to select the duration first. So for example, I'm going to make it longer. Then you can simply tap on apply to all. Okay, and now the transition has been applied to all clips. And I'm going to show you the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply some transition to all clips at once on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.